Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from an organic triticale field located in central New York. The crop is being harvested to send to a malt house for brewing. The combine at work in the field is a Class 5 271 engine horsepower John Deere S550 equipped with a 250 bushel grain bin. It's cutting the grain with a 25-foot wide John Deere 625 grain head. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and original list price. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this harvesting action. In August of 2011, John Deere introduced its new S-Series of rotary combines. This S-Series designation would go on to set a standard of harvesting for the company for well over a decade. The series initially included Class 5 to Class 9 combines. The lineup was comprised of the S550, S660, S670, S680, and S690, which topped out at 543 engine horsepower. The S550 was manufactured at John Deere's Harvester Works in East Moline, Illinois for model year 2012 and 2013. It's a Class 5 machine based on its horsepower. The S550 is powered by a 6.8-liter, 414 cubic inch John Deere engine rated at 271 engine horsepower, and it has a power boost up to 300 horsepower when it encounters tough harvesting conditions. It is fitted with a 200-gallon diesel fuel tank. The S550 features a John Deere push-button shift transmission. When the hydro lever is brought into the neutral position, it automatically applies the parking brake. This allows the operator to select the gear that they need simply by pushing one of three buttons. Then the combine takes care of the rest. The threshing and cleaning system on the S550 is smaller than the S600 combines. The feeder house on this Class 5 machine is 44 inches wide, while the Class 6 through 9 machines have a 55-inch wide feeder house. The tri-stream rotor on the S550 is 24 inches in diameter and 123 inches in length. The S660 through S690 have the same length rotor, but its diameter is 30 inches. The total cleaning area on the Class 5 combine is 5,583 square inches, while the Class 6 and 7 combines in the S-Series offer 7,589 square inches, and the big Class 8 and 9 combines offer 8,711 square inches. The S550 is fitted with a 250 bushel grain tank that empties at 2.2 bushels per second. Class 6 and 7 combines with 300 bushel grain tanks unload at 3.3 bushels per second, and the Class 8 and 9 machines with the 400 bushel grain tanks unload at 3.8 bushels per second. The S550 came standard from the factory with an 18.5-foot long unloading auger. It could be upgraded to a 21.5-foot unloading auger for an additional $1,671. The S600 combines were available for model year 2012 and 2013 with unloading augers up to 26 feet. According to JohnDeere.com, the base list price for an S550 combine when it was new was $282,160. The combine harvesting Triticale in this video is equipped with a 25-foot wide John Deere 625 grain head, which had a list price of $38,692 when it was new. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this John Deere S550 combine harvesting Triticale. I would like to hear in the comment section below the video if you use John Deere combines on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the crops that you harvest with it. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.